Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Brummer Elementary School in South Lyon, Michigan, home of the Bobcats. Standing outside their main office today, but the actual talk was in the cafeteria for the after-school program for the kids club. So this really hit my heart on a lot of levels today. My brother went to school here, graduated from Brummer Elementary, and so it's kind of just been in the family. My parents live about a mile away from here. I knew the Brummer family growing up too, and just being able to come and speak to Kids Club is part of what the program that I was part of as well at a different South Lyon school here in the South Lyon School District. But just an amazing afternoon, talking about seeing people for their heart first, like what it says right here in front of the office, not only no to bullying, but to be safe, to be kind, to be responsible. And it's really what we wanted to think about with our words, with our actions, that in just 2 seconds we can uplift or destroy, right? One heartbeat, one breath, one word, one action, 2 seconds. We can say something so kind, it's on someone's heart for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And a lot of students came up to me and just said, Mr. Peace, why is that student being so mean to me? Why would that student not include me? And really it comes down to people in pain, right? That they were probably hurting. They're also probably mirroring what they saw, maybe at home or maybe from another person that they thought was their friend, right? And they're just kind of mimicking that behavior. It doesn't make it right, but we can still come from a space of love, right? And hopefully help to change their heart. So we talk how hurt people, but healed people heal people. Both are choices. Hopefully we choose the latter, right? To become healed, to be all in for this planet, to help start to heal this world with one act of kindness at a time. And I love, what I see here at the school. I've been here a couple times now, but it just keeps growing. Some of the kindness trees and the whole vision of what they're trying to accomplish here is to really treat people with respect. Treat people the way that you want to be treated. See people for this too. We always talk about the M on all of our hands with the lines of each of our hand. I traced one of mine here with washable marker, but all of us have at least one M on each hand. And that M with the lines of our hand stands for miracle. Just like my shirt says here, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. Right, a student said that he's always getting called loser, and he knows it's not true, but it still hurts, right? And I said, well, the W could also be for winner, but whatever you choose it to be, that we know that we are beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And if we are doing our best, how we treat ourselves, so we don't bully ourselves, right, to think negatively about ourselves, and we don't bully others by pushing that pain onto them by how we treat them poorly, if we can really just keep choosing acceptance, keep choosing kindness, then that's what this planet desperately is looking for. And in line with MLK Day a few days ago, right, that we're celebrating, and all the kids said that they learned about it, we said that the time is always right to do what is right, one of his famous quotes. And what is right is to treat everybody like you treat your best friend. See them for their heart first before anything else. Our heart is big as our fist. But if we let that love and kindness fully enter into here and compassion, we can turn this into this. So again, thank you for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Keep shining your light, keep shining your hearts. Special thanks again to the South Lyon Community Coalition, Paige George, the director, for sponsoring today's program and helping us move peace through the elementary schools here in South Lyon. And finally, as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out the playlist as well for some amazing videos and some inspiration, motivation, but you can also visit the website, mrpeace.org, through the link that you see to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.